Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to add notes in OneNote. Here's a clear step guide to help you add notes in OneNote on Android phone. First, open the OneNote app on your mobile device. Sign in with your Microsoft account if not already signed in. From the home screen, go to the notebook list. Choose the notebook you want to add notes to, or if you don't have a notebook yet, tap the plus notebook to create a new one. Choose the email, and then provide a name, and tap create. Then tap the newly created note. Inside the notebook, choose or create a section by tapping the add section, where you want the note to go. Provide a name, then hit create. Now tap the newly created section. Tap the plus page button at the bottom to add the new page. Give your page a title at the top to help organize your notes. Tap in the blank area below the title to start typing your note. Use the toolbar above the keyboard to format text, bold, italic, underline, bullet points, etc. To add handwriting or drawings, tap the plus icon on the left, then tap the pen or ink icon and draw on the page. To insert pictures, audio, or files, tap the paperclip plus icon or insert the option in the toolbar. If you want to add a checklist, tap the checkbox icon to create a to-do list. Your notes will auto-save to your Microsoft account. No need to hit save manually. To view or edit later, just return to the page from your notebook or search using the search icon and the top right. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.